Hello everyone and Quatrium. Today we are going to start the question of chapter 2, that is biological classification. Okay, let's start. Which among the following is not a prokaryote? That is Saccharomycetes. Rest all Mycobacteria, Oscillatoria and Nostoc are prokaryotic. Okay, next select the wrong statement. Cell wall is present in members of fungi and plantae. True. Mushroom belongs to Basidiomycetes. True. Pseudopodia are locomotory organ and feeding structure in sporozoans. This is false because pseudopodia are locomotory organ in amoeboid protozoans, that is amoeba. Okay. Mitochondria are the powerhouse of cell in all kingdoms except Monera. This is true. Okay. Next question number 3. After karyogamy followed by meiosis, spores are produced exogenously in agaricus. Oxygen is not produced during photosynthesis by green sulfur bacteria. Which of the following organisms are known as chief producer in oceans? Diatoms. Ciliates differ from other protozoans in having two types of nuclei. Which of the following are found in extreme saline condition? Extreme saline condition. They are archaebacteria and most, you can say it, halophytes. Okay. Viroids differ from viruses in having RNA molecule without protein coat. Which among the following are the smallest living cell known without definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animals, and can survive without oxygen? They are mycoplasma. Understand? Which of the following components provide sticky character to bacterial cell? This is important question. This is glycocalyx. Understand? DNA replication in bacteria occurs prior to fission. Prior to fission means just before fission. Okay. Which one of the following is wrong for fungi? Fungi, they are eukaryotic. True. They are heterotrophic. True. They are both unicellular and multicellular. True. But all fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. This is false. The cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin. Understand? Next. Select the wrong statement. The wall of diatoms are easily destructible. This is wrong because the wall of diatoms are hard and it's not easily destructible. Okay. Second, diatomous earth is formed by cell wall of diatoms. True. Diatoms are chief producer of ocean. True. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. True. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animal includes methanogens. Okay. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Eubacteria are also called false bacteria. This is wrong because eubacteria are called true bacteria. Phycomycetes are also called algal fungi. Okay. Cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae. Golden algae are also called desmids. Which of the following statement is wrong for viroids? Wrong statement is their RNA is of high molecular weight. This is not high. Their RNA of viroids are of low molecular weight. Okay. Rest all are true. They are used in infections. They lack protein coat. They are smaller than viruses. One of the following component of cell wall of most fungi is chitin. Chrysophytes, euglenoids, dinoflagellates, and slime molds are included in kingdom Protista. Which one is a wrong statement? Here the wrong statement is mucor has biflagellate zoospores and rest all are true. Okay. For example, haploid endosperm is a typical feature of gymnosperms. Brown algae have chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthin. Archegonia are found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta in gymnosperm. Okay. Next. The imperfect fungi, which are decomposers of ether and help in mineral cycling, belongs to Deuteromycetes. Okay. The structure that helps some bacteria to attach on rocks and on host tissue are fimbriae. Select the wrong statement. Here the wrong statement is option number 3. The viroids are discovered by D.J. Ivonsky. This is wrong because the viroids are discovered by T.O. Diner. Rest all are true. Okay. Next, in which group of organisms the cell wall of two thin overlapping cells fit together of chrysophytes like a soap box? Pick the wrong statement. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. This is wrong. Rest all are true. Some fungi are edible. Cell wall is absent in Animalia. Protists have photosynthetic and heterotropic mode of nutrition. Choose the wrong statement. First one is wrong because morels and truffles are not poisonous. They are edible. And yeast is unicellular and useful in fermentation. Penicillium is multicellular and produces antibiotics. Neurospora is used in study of biochemical genetics. These all are true. Cell wall is absent in mycoplasma. True nucleus is present in Anabena. Okay. Next. Which of the following match is correct? Last one, that is alternaria. Reproduction is sexual reproduction is absent and it is deuteromycetes. Okay. Five kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whitaker is not based on mode of reproduction. It is based on presence or absence of cell, presence or absence of a well defined nucleus, understand, and mode of nutrition, complexity of body organization, understand. Next, which of the following shows coiled RNA stent and capsomeres? This is tobacco mosaic virus. Viruses have DNA enclosed in a protein coat. Archaebacteria differs from eubacteria in cell membrane structure, or you can say cell wall structure. Okay, which structure performs the function of mitochondria in bacteria? Mesosomes. The motile bacteria are able to move by flagella. Flagella. Anos. Next. Next question number 36. Anoxygenic photosynthesis is characteristics of rhodospirillum. Next. Which of the following are likely to be present in deep sea water? These are archaebacteria. Pigment containing membrane extension in some cyanobacteria are chromatophores. Why is a capsule advantageous to a bacterium? Because it allows bacterium to hide from host immune system. Which one of the following is true for fungi? They are heterotrophs. Which statement is wrong for viruses? All of them have helical symmetry. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group of Monera. Nuclear membrane is absent in nostoc. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as blue-green algae. The most abundant prokaryotes helpful to the human in making curd from milk and in production of antibiotics are the ones categorized as heterotrophic bacteria. Which one single organism or pair of organisms is correctly assigned to its or their named taxonomic group? Yeast is used in making bread and beer is a fungus. Which of the following microbes form symbiotic association with plants and help them in their nutrition? It is glomerulus. In the five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella had been included in Protista. Which one of the following also act as catalyst in a bacterial cell? 23S rRNA. In eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is plasma membrane. Which one of the following organism is not an eukaryote? Escherichia coli, E. coli. Which one of the following is incorrectly matched? Puccinia, smut. Rest all are true. Root pressure, guttation, root exarch, protoxylem, and cassia imbricate estivation. The pathogen microsporum responsible for ringworm disease in human beings belongs to same kingdom of organism as that of rhizopus, a mold. Virus evolved, sorry, virus envelope is known as capsid. Single-celled eukaryotes are included in Protista. Some hyperthermophilic organisms that grow in highly acidic, that is pH 2 habitat belongs to two groups, Eobacteria and Archaebacteria. One of the free-living anaerobic nitrogen fixator is Rhodospirillum. Membrane-bound organelles are absent in Streptococcus. Given below is the diagram of bacteriophage in which one of the option of all the four parts A, B, C and D are correct. Here A is head, B is sheath, C is collar and D is tail fibers. Okay, next. Select the correct combination of the statement 1 to 4 regarding the characteristics of certain organisms. 1, 2 and 4 are correct here. One is methanogens are archaebacteria which produces methane in marshy areas. Second one is nostoc is a filamentous blue-green algae which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. And the fourth is mycoplasma lack a cell wall and can survive without oxygen. Black stem rust of wheat is caused by Pucenia grammis. Phylogenetic system of classification is based on evolutionary relationship. T.O. Diner discovered free infectious RNA. Oxygenic photosynthesis occurs in oscillatoria. Which of the following is symbiotic nitrogen fixator? Frankia. Which of the following pairing for the disease and its causal organism? Late blight of potato, that is Alternaria sonali. This is wrong. And the rest all three are true. That is black rust of wheat, Puccinia grammis, loose smut of wheat, Ustiligo nuda, and root knot of vegetables, Malongini sp. Okay, Malongini sp. Bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by species Xanthomonas. Okay, Thermococcus, Methanococcus, and Methanobacterium exam, uh, exemplify archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to Eobacteria core histones. Okay, next. In the light of recent classification of living organism into three domains of life, bacteria, archaebacteria and Eobacteria, which of the following statement is true about archaebacteria? Archaebacteria have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Next question, number 70. Which of the following is a slime mold? Physarum. Okay. Which one of following statement about mycoplasma is wrong? They are sensitive to penicillium. This is wrong. And rest all. They are pleomorphic. They causes disease in plant. They are also called PPLO. These are true. Which pair of the following belongs to Basidiomycetes? Birds nest, fungi and puffballs. They are Basidiomycetes. Curling of tea leaves is brought about by activity of bacteria. Okay. Uh, uh. Which of the following environmental conditions are essential for optimum growth of mucor on a piece of bread? Here the conditions are A, D and E. A, temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius. D, relatively humidity of about 95%. And E, that is a shady place. Okay. All of the following statement concerning the Actinomycetes filamentous soil bacterium Frankia are correct except that Frankria can fix nitrogen in the free living state. This is not true. Okay, rest all the three statements are true, that Frankria can induce root nodules on many plant species. Frankria cannot fix specialized vessels in which a nitrogenase is protected from oxygen by chemical barrier involving trap, uh, triterpene hominoids. Like Rhizobium, it usually infects its host plant through root hair deformation and stimulates cell proliferation in host cortex. Okay, thank you. We'll start from 76 in the next lecture. Thank you so much.